Okay, so today we'll do one question, that is no order customers. So we have to find the customers who did not order between these two dates, and we have to include customer name who did not place order out inside this range, and customer who did not place any order. So these are our two columns. We need to concatenate them on ID and customer ID. So we'll do one CTE left join c.id orders on c.id and o.customer id, and we need order date greater than equals to February and greater than March. And we need, okay, let's just see the output, then we'll do the first name second part, who never placed any orders. So we need first name dot order details, order date, and then order details. Okay, we need the customer who did not place any orders. So we'll do one thing, where o dot order detail is null. We'll get the first name and our output is correct. You can just do this, and you can just do this and you will get the same answer. So I did CTE just to show you what is happening, and yes, that is it. Thank you for watching.